Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is cold. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must get in and lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum. When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is cold. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must get in and lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you.
Hey y'all, y'all. So I'm obviously finna style this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by HURELAHAIR. Shout out to you, Hurela, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate you. Hurela be coming through with the come through. So shout out to you, boo. I really, really, really do appreciate you, honey. All right, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking is their Hurela 5x5 HD lace glueless wig, invisible lace, human hair wig, pre-plucked heavy density. So it says heavy density because the density is like 220 if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna go to the description. Okay. So on the description it says that the density is 200. It's Brazilian, Malaysian, or Peruvian hair. It comes in a natural color and it comes in an average cap size. It's a lace closure, as I stated, it's a 5x5. And it is HD lace. So you can wear this wig glueless. I don't know if you guys noticed before I sprayed it, it already looked like it had just melted in. Like, oh girl, just looked like she melted in, okay? Like, so you can definitely wear this wig glueless. I did want to go ahead and spray it because I knew I was going to be doing this updo. But I think if you were wearing it in like a regular natural style, you could definitely get away with just throwing old girl on and heading out your house, honey, okay? And literally the only thing that I did to this unit was bleach the knots, and it did come slightly pre-bleached. I just decided to bleach it a little more because, honey, I keep telling y'all, I'm on this bleaching kick, okay? I'm on this bleaching kick. So I did decide to bleach it a little more, but honey, you know, it's your wig. You do what you want to do with your wig. Now, as far as the length of this wig, I'm not 100% sure. I want to say, oh girl, it's about 26 to 28 inches, but that's purely speculation. Honey, check the description box because, oh girl, I don't know. So check the description box because I'm not sure the length because they didn't send that part to me. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, it did not shed, it did not tangle. That's not to say, oh girl won't do none of the things at some point. Just to say that straight out of the packaging, she's not doing any of the things. Now, it did come pre-tweezed, like, honey, she woke up like this. She woke up like this, girl, okay? So that is always a plus as well. And as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps. It does come in an average cap size, and I'm not sure if you can get it in another cap size. Let me see. Yeah, I don't see where you can get it in another cap size. And it does say this unit is available in 200 and 250% density. And I want to say they told me that this is 250, but I have it somewhere on the screen, or I've had it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see. But yeah, those are the details and specs. I do feel like I stated, that this unit is big head friendly, but I only got the head that's on my shoulders, girl, so do with that what you want to do with that, and I am an average cap size. So yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go. If you are interested in my pros and cons as well as the 4360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note, so we're gonna start with the cons. I'm gonna say that my con with this unit is gonna be the fact that I still had to bleach the knots. Girl, I'm just throwing some out there, okay? I'm literally just throwing some out there. I'm just throwing some out there, okay? The knots did come pre-bleached, but I had to bleach them a little more. So that's gonna be my con today. Okay, so my pros are endless. First of all, this unit is very beginner friendly. It's very beginner friendly. You don't actually have to bleach the knots, okay? Like I said, I'm on this little extra kick. You don't necessarily have to do that, girl. That's that. I love that it came pre-tweezed because, girl, do you see this? Do you see this hairline? Do you see it? Do you see this hairline? So I love that as well. I also love the texture. You guys know I love a good body wave. And I love the way that the hair held the curls. So yeah, those are my pros with this unit. So would I recommend this unit? Yes, I would. First of all, because it's beginner friendly, honey, okay? And it's lazy girl friendly. I love a unit I can stuff on my head and keep it moving. Also, because I love that it came pre-tweezed. Like, yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. And I would recommend HURELAHAIR in general because, honey, they always come through with the come-through. So, yes, I would definitely recommend this wig. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below if you guys are feeling this unit, if you think it's a look, if you think it's a vibe. Let me know down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Hurela, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok, from Health to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Got every style and weekly.